Hi friends, welcome to English Study Point. Today in this video lecture, I am going to discuss another important previous year question from our topic retellings. So what are the forms that retellings can take? Give examples. This is your previous year question. And here is the answer, which says retellings are creative reinterpretations or of existing stories, myths, or historical accounts. They can take various forms of films, graphic novels, video games, etc., and each offers a unique perspective and medium. This means these retellings are a kind of new versions of existing stories, myths, or historical events, and they can be presented in different ways, like in movies, graphic novels, or video games, etc. Each method or each different form of retelling gives a unique view of the story. Now, White Sargasso Sea by Jean Rice is a prequel to Jane Eyre, is a literary adaptation that offers the backstory of Bertha Mason, providing insight into her life in Jamaica before marrying Rochester. It engaging with themes of colonialism and identity while reframing a classic narrative from a different cultural lens. So this is a kind of prequel to this work. White Sargasso Sea is a kind of prequel to Jane Eyre, and it tells the story of Bertha Mason exploring her life in Jamaica before she marries Rochester. And this book talks about important ideas like colonialism, means the impact of controlling another country, and also talk about identity. It means that who we are. So this particular work talks about all these themes. And now we get to know that West Side Story is a cinematic retelling of Shakespeare's Romeo and Juliet. Set in 1950s New York City, it explores themes of love and rivalry through the lens of gang culture and highlights social issues such as immigration and racism. Now we see that this film is a modern retelling of Shakespeare's Romeo and Juliet, and it is set in New York City during the 1950s, and the story explores different themes like love and conflict among different groups, particularly gangs. So this particular cinematic retelling highlights important topics like immigration. Immigration means people moving from one country to another, and also talk about racism, which is a kind of discrimination based on race. Now, from here onwards, we see that the Lion King Broadway musical is inspired by Shakespeare's Hamlet and is uniquely set in the African savannah, presenting themes of power, betrayal, and redemption through vibrant music and dance, and in this way appeal to diverse audiences. So, this Broadway musical is inspired by Shakespeare's Hamlet, and it is uniquely set in the African savannah, which is a vast grassland home to diverse wildlife. And this particular story presents important ideas to its readers like power, which means control, and also talk about deception, which means betrayal, and redemption means forgiveness. So here we get to see the musical features, vibrant music and dance, creating an engaging experience for the readers. And also we get to see that its themes and performances appeal to a wide range of people. Now, Persepolis by Marjane Satrapi recounts her experiences growing up during and after the Islamic Revolution in Iran, and it retells her personal story with profound political commentary rendered through stark black and white art, making complex themes accessible. So this is a kind of a graphic novel by Marjane Satrapi, which tells her life story during and after the Islamic Revolution in Iran, and it recounts her personal experiences and growth during a challenging time. So the story includes deep reflections on political issues that arose during the revolution. And here we see that it is illustrated in stark black and white art, making the complex themes easier to understand. Then, Queen of Snow by Laura Byron is a retelling of the Snow White fairy tale, reimagining the characters in a contemporary setting wherein traditional roles are subverted, exploring themes of empowerment and self identity among young adults. So, this book by Laura Byron retells the Snow White fairy tale in a modern way, and the characters which we see here in this work are reimagined in a current context, differing from the traditional story, and it tried to challenge and change traditional roles of characters. And the story explores ideas of empowerment means strength and self identity means understanding oneself among young adults. Now, here in this point, we see the true story of the Three Little Pigs by John Skieska flips the perspective of the classic Three Little Pigs, presenting the big bad wolf viewpoint. This retelling encourages critical thinking about narratives and biases in storytelling. So, this means that this book tells the classic tale from the wolf's perspective, challenging readers to think about different viewpoints and biases in stories. The Other Boleyn Girl by Philippa Gregory retells the story of Anne Boleyn through the eyes of her sister Mary. It provides a richly detailed account of Tudor court life and intricate political maneuvers of the time, emphasizing female agency in history. So, this retelling focuses on Anne Boleyn through her sister's Mary's eyes, showing or showcasing life in the Tudor court and highlighting women's roles in history. Now, the Penelopiad by Margaret Atwood retells the story of Penelope from Homer's Odyssey by giving a voice to Penelope. Atwood explores themes of femininity, loyalty, and female narrative, merging modern sensibilities with ancient tale. So, in this point, we see that Atwood narrates Penelope's story from Odyssey, giving her a voice that explores themes like loyalty and femininity, blending modern ideas with ancient tales. Now, from this point, we get to see that Snow Glass Apples by Neil Gaiman retells the Snow White story with a dark twist, portraying Snow White as a predatory figure. This short story subverts reader expectations and challenges traditional fairy tale morals. So, from this point, we see that this story gives a dark and twisted version of Snow White, presenting her as a more dangerous character which challenges traditional fairy tale morals. The Lizzie Bennet Diaries is a web series adaptation of Jane Austen's Pride and Prejudice. It modernizes the characters and settings, employing social media platforms to explore contemporary issues of romance and societal expectations. So, this web series updates Jane Austen's Pride and Prejudice by putting the characters in modern times and using social media to discuss romance and societal issues. The musical Hamilton retells life story of Alexander Hamilton through hip hop and R&B by casting actors of color and employing contemporary musical styles. It reinvigorates history and makes it relevant to modern audiences. So, this musical tells Alexander Hamilton's life story using hip hop and R&B, featuring a diverse cast to make the historical narrative relatable to today's audiences. Now, here we see the Witcher series based on the works of Andrzej Sapkowski retells Slavic folklore and legends through an interactive gaming experience. Players engage with morality and choice, allowing personal connection to a reimagined narrative. So, this particular game series transforms Slavic folklore into an interactive experience where players make moral choices connecting personally to the story. Lore Olympus by Rachel Smith retells the myth of Hades and Persephone in a modern setting. This webtoon utilizes color, art, and contemporary dialogue to discuss themes of love, consent, and power dynamics. So here we see that this webtoon modernizes the myth of Hades and Persephone with vibrant art and relatable dialogue exploring themes of love, consent and power. Welcome to Night Vale is a podcast that presents a fictional desert town broadcasting news and stories that blend elements of horror with humor, creating a retelling of ordinary life through a surreal, otherworldly lens. So, here we get to see that this podcast tells stories from a fictional desert town, mixing horror and humor to create an unusual and surreal take on everyday life. At last, we see Choice of the Vampire is an interactive narrative game allowing players to experience the life of a vampire in various historical contexts. This retelling incorporates player decisions to shape the storyline, enhancing engagement and illustrating different facets of the narrative. So, this means that this game lets players live as a vampire through different historical periods, and players make choices that directly affect the story and its outcome. And the game encourages deep involvement by allowing players to shape their vampires' experiences. And this approach highlights various aspects of vampire lore and history, making each playthrough unique. Then, with this video lecture ends here. Hope this video lecture will help you in your exams. Thank you.